Hello to everyone. Well, I owe you some explanation because you obviously see, especially people who are following the earthquakes and the statistic of the earthquakes, you can see that we have one earthquake after another. And look at that. Just a moment. We have list and list full of earthquakes. In central Italy, of course, today I'm just taking central Italy because this is a very good example what I want to show you. Because you have right to ask me or anyone else who is dealing with you, why are so many earthquakes today in Italy? Because I usually show you orbit of the comet which caused one earthquake. But as you can see, here we have 10 or maybe more pages full of earthquakes from minute to minute. Okay? Some of them are very strong, like 4.6, 4.5, 6.5, etc. Now I'm going to show you something. Look at that here. This is the place of the epicenter in Italy when these all earthquakes I have shown you hit the ground. And all these purple lines that you see are the orbits of the comets which are above this area and Europe, of course, because this is all Europe. Now, this is I will put this in 00 just a moment. This is the midnight, and I'm going to 300. I speed up this situation 300 times, and I'm going to show you now how many comets are passing above this earthquake area, so you will understand why do we have so many earthquakes. Now, there is a correlation with this center. There is some space body who is responsible that these earthquakes are all here. Okay, some of them are also after effects, so we don't mingle this with this. But look how many earthquakes and orbits are passing here. Don't forget where the moon and the sun is one behind another. So all this, it's centered in one direction. Moon and the sun, the power of the moon and the sun passing to the one certain point. Now, this is 4 o'clock in the morning. Just watch and you will see how many earthquakes will be here. And these are not all of them because I don't have time to turn on the all comets orbits. This is what is going on in the sky and you are not aware of it. Here it is, here's the epicenter, here's the earthquake, this is 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 the earthquake, etc., etc. So this is now 8 o'clock in the morning. This is the comet Panzer which caused the earthquake 6.5, even above the 7 Richter scale. So I'm going to run this until now, and this is 1700 hours, and this is the time when I'm doing this video today, October 30, 2016. You just watch how many orbits are passing here above this area, above all this area, but this other area are not affected with this orbit because the other space bodies who are responsible for this earthquake are not in a position to cause any earthquake. So it's not only that orbit passing around London or Strasbourg or München or Bratislava, it doesn't matter. this is not the cause of the earthquake. The cause of the earthquake when this orbit, when it's come in combination with some other space bodies which shoot directly in that place. So we need at least 3 space body in some kind of alignment or something which cause this turbulence on the ground. Just watch how many. Look this part, when this part will come here, this is somewhere about, let me see, that will affect this area about 1940 for 1 hour, exactly 12 hours after the shocking strong earthquake. Watch this, watch the time, and now watch this situation here. So we can easily predict that there will be a more strong earthquake at somewhere, let me see when, after 8 o'clock, between 8 and 9 o'clock in the evening tonight. There must be a stronger earthquake which will be above 5.4, 5.5, 5, I don't know, it depends. Because it's impossible to calculate all this situation here. Okay, so this is the 2240. I will stop here. I just want to show you what is going on and why do we have so many earthquakes. And you see, from time to time, we have this stronger earthquake, which are with a bold, marked with the bold letters. You see, 4, 6, and then these are the situation when some of these celestial bodies come in better combination, in a stronger combination with this space bodies. It can be a moon, it may be a I don't know, sun, some of the planets which are also present here and come into the alignment. Not to mention the alignment of the planets today, because I didn't check out what are the alignments today. I can check out this also, and I can check out this at just a moment, 7:40 in the morning, time of the earthquake. So let me see. So what's going on here? I have some trouble here, I don't know why. Just a moment. Maybe because I use this program, I just don't have, but we can easily see what is in alignment here. So we have alignment of the Jupiter, Mercury, Earth. You see that here? I cannot put this in a 740 because I don't know why, but maybe I can turn off this program. Maybe don't save. Just a moment. Maybe we'll wait once again. Just a moment. I think it's because of the I don't know why this is affected. But unfortunately I cannot use this program now because I don't have a time. I cannot set this in a moment when it was earthquake. So thank you very much and stay tuned.